From now, I will be your tour guide. If you want anything, if you need anything like turn on, turn off the AC, turn on, turn off the light, you can tell me.
Goods na coffee. Egg coffee. May hinihintay lang natin yung tour guide natin. And then ready to go na tayo. Parang nanood ng Avatar. Dito yon. Parang ganito. Oh, pangkaldereta sis. Scenic view. Nasa baba pa lang tayo. Pasok tayo dito. And the view is overlooking. Ayan, ang view ng restaurant natin. Grabe yung food guys, ang dami. Guys, this is my most awaited food to eat here in Vietnam. Spring rolls. Tikman natin. Kuha lang muna tayo ng dalawa. This is the restaurant. Happy lunch guys. Happy lunch. Happy lunch. Ito yung Vietnamese roll. Pero kakaiba dito, meron siyang rice. Kasi yung mga natitikman natin sa Pilipinas, wala silang rice.